Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need admin access and a quick backup before you remove an account. This prevents lost mail or settings. Once backed up, close Outlook and any syncing apps like OneDrive or Teams so files aren't locked. Then press Start, choose Settings, and go to Accounts. This is the control center for Windows accounts and email profiles. Make sure you're in the right Windows profile. If not, switch now so you remove the intended Outlook account rather than another user's data. Once in Accounts, locate Email and Accounts or Access Work or School. Windows shows both depending on how Outlook was added. Select the Outlook entry, then click Manage or Disconnect. Choose Remove or Sign Out when prompted. You'll see confirmation dialogues because Windows will delete cached credentials and related tokens. Accept them so the system can clear profile data. After you confirm, wait a minute for Windows to finish. This removes the account from the OS and prevents automatic sign-ins in the future. Finish by checking Outlook directly. Open Control Panel, choose Mail, and delete any remaining profiles so Outlook won't reopen the account. Then restart the laptop and sign in to confirm the account no longer appears. Open Outlook to verify no email boxes auto-populate. If Windows or Outlook still shows the account, open Credential Manager and remove related credentials, then retry removal steps. If you hit permission errors, make sure you used an admin account and retry after a restart to clear logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.